In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check board upgrade cost calculators online, calculate the total cash needed for Board 19 upgrades, and optimize your dice spending using web event guides. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device. Using Chrome makes it easy to compare different resources side by side, and it's usually the quickest way to look up accurate, up-to-date information for game planning. Once Chrome is open, go to a board upgrade cost calculator website. These calculators are helpful because they estimate how much in-game cash you'll need to fully upgrade a specific board, which can save you from guessing or overspending your resources. When you're on the calculator, look for the board selection area and choose board 19. Make sure you've selected the correct board before continuing, since upgrade costs in Shuesiaos can change from one board to another. After selecting board 19, review the listed costs carefully. Most calculators will break the total down by individual upgrade stages or landmarks, and then show an overall amount at the end. Your goal here is to calculate the total cash needed for all Board 19 upgrades, so take a moment to confirm the final number shown on the page. If you want to stay organized, keep that total in mind or note it down somewhere so you can compare it with the amount of cash you currently have in the game. This helps you decide whether you're ready to upgrade immediately or if you need to keep collecting more before committing. Next, shift your focus to dice optimization. Open a web event guide in Chrome and review the current event details. These guides are useful because they explain which milestones, rewards, and board actions give the best value for your dice. Instead of rolling randomly, you want to use the guide to make smarter decisions and stretch your dice further. As you read through the event guide, pay attention to the recommended strategy for spending dice efficiently. Some guides highlight the best times to increase your multiplier, when to slow down, or which event rewards are worth chasing. Use that information to optimize your dice expenditure based on the guide rather than relying on trial and error. By combining the board cost calculator with the event guide, you're creating a much more efficient upgrade plan. You'll know exactly how much cash Board 19 requires, and you'll have a clearer strategy for using your dice in a way that supports those upgrades. This approach can help you progress more smoothly, avoid unnecessary waste, and make better use of both your cash and dice during active events.